everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Uber account. Now to do that, what you need to do is open a Google browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in uber.com and press enter. This will open the official webpage of Uber, and once you're at the official webpage, you need to go and click on login. Click that. Now there's four ways how you can log in into the account. If you are a driver and a deliver guy, you need to click on sign in to drive and deliver. If you are signing in as a rider, you click on sign in to ride. And if you are going to sign in as order delivery with Uber Eats, you need to click on the third option over here. Likewise, you need to sign in into the Uber for Business account. You choose this option. I'm going to show you how you can sign in to ride, as I have logged in or created myself account as a rider. Click that. Now once you're at this page, what you need to do is you need to provide your phone number or email address. Type in your phone number or the email address over here and then click on continue. If you have linked your Uber account with Google, Apple and Facebook, you click on these options and you will be able to log in. Now click on continue over here. Now they will send a 4-digit code to the phone number of yours. You need to type in that code that you have received on your phone number on the checkbox over here. Type that number. And with that, you will be logged in into the Uber account of yours as a rider. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.